Let's learn how to measure like a pro. First, you need a notebook to keep everything organized, 3 pens, I recommend black, green, and red, and a sturdy tape measure. Here you can see my finished drawing of the room. The outline of the room is done in the black pen. You'll notice all of my measurements are whole or half inches because we don't need to be more precise than that. The green pen is for all of my wall measurements, length and width. The red pen is for doors and windows. This is what a door looks like, and this is what a window looks like. You want to measure the width of your doors as well as the distance to the nearest corner. Windows, I like to do in inches, width, then height, and the header height, as well as the distance to the corner. And don't forget to call out your ceiling height.